Step into the Ford 2013 Explorer Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation system, BLIS Plus inflatable rear seat belt package, equipment group 302A, luxury seating package, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder and premium audio system, Sony. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.